I completed my schooling in Vidya Shankari and in PO in National College Jayanagar, and finally B Civil Engineering in Vivekananda Institute of Technology. And I joined to CMDI Institute after in to December.
Okay, this is your introduction. So you have
Yeah.
been for CMTI for CACM course. So
Yes,
how
ma'am. I
useful it is?
joined for CMDI for CSM course.
Okay, how useful it is? Like how? What are the topics which are covering over there? So can you speak about that?
Um, there I got to they thought about the quantity survey and sequence of construction and methodology and the advanced level of AutoCAD and from beginner to advanced level of SketchUps and project management planning, mm, quality assurance, quality control, and even about the interiors also in checklist or measurement, how to take the measurements and quality check in the interior designs. These are the topics they covered.
Okay, that's nice. So many topics have been covered. So to cover these topics, no, the classes begins from morning to late evening. So how did you manage the time? How did you uh, manage the time, and how did you manage the stress?
The classes will start from the 9:30 or 10 o'clock, and after one session there will be break. At that time, we can what the teachers had trained during the sessions. We will have the library in the CMTI where we can get the drawings also to practice. They will give the assignment after each sessions. We have to complete. There is a place we can sit and practice there only, and if we have any doubts, we can clarify there itself.
Okay, so you didn't feel any stress and everything because it had a little
No,
painful.
ma'am.
Okay,
No,
Praveen.
ma'am. Any stresses?
Okay. So how can you speak about the trainers? How were they with you? How was the relation between you and the trainers?
Yeah, ma'am. It was very good. Mm, they train very well, and all the teachers were more experienced, and all few were still working. And they get when they get time, they will train us even in the evening or in the onlines also. Natarajan sir was a great. He has a more knowledge about the constructions. He taught us everything about the sequence of construction or methodology or the quantity survey and the bar bending schedules. He taught us very well.
Okay, this is how you felt with the trainers. So I think in CACM course the site visits also been included. So how did it help you to gain practical knowledge, Praveen?
Yeah, ma'am. When compared to our universities, college universities, we don't have any practical knowledges in the colleges. When we complete our colleges, we don't have that much practical knowledge. We know only about the theory. And when I joined to CSEM course, they every week they took us to the sites, which is on the live projects. They taught us practically where what are the problems they are facing when constructing a building or a residential or commercial projects. We can able to learn more things there.
Okay, so all these things helped you to gain a practical knowledge, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you make out a difference in yourself that is about your personal development before joining CMTI and after you are now? Can you make a difference in yourself?
Yeah, I can make difference. Before I was not able to speak very well in English. Now every day I communicate with the teachers in the institute in English only. I can improve my vocabulary and speaking language in English. And there is no stage fear also. They we have to give a presentation after every site visit. We should make a report and we should present a presentation. By that we I got off from the stage fear also, and my communication skill is also improved from that.
Okay, that's nice to hear because you have been changed with your personal development, communication skills, and stage fear and everything.
Yeah.
So, so can you speak about your fellow engineers who were undergoing training with you, that is, who were sitting next to you and getting trained like you? So, how was the relation between them and you?
Yeah, they were also good to us. So, they also came from the different states, but starting I had I can't able to speak with them because I don't know about much English. After that, in getting training, I improved my communication skill also, and I can speak with them, coordinate with them also. They are good, very good.
Okay. So you had been cracked an interview, right? So how did that process went? How did CMTI and PS help you during that process? How many rounds were there? Like, what are the challenges you faced and how did you overcome that?
There was two rounds in the interviews, ma'am. First is uh, they asked about my what is yourself, and the second round was a technical skills. And what are the questions they asked about the quality checks? What are the checks you need to do? And if how I learned about the cracking the interviews from the CMTI app, there is an training also for how to crack the interview. By looking into that videos, I can able to crack the interview.
Okay, so you have mentioned that you have used CMTI hack. Can you rate about that? How was it? Like, what are the things it includes?
Yeah, whatever the classes we are getting in the offline also, that all the classes will be also available in the online too. If we can't able to attend any one class due to some reasons, that in that class we can able to view the classes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice that you have gone through the CMTI app very usefully.
Yeah.
And this was like a great change in you, which I can see. So, would you like to suggest CMTI to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, ma'am, I will recommend refer to them also, ma'am. Because when they were in the college, there will be no great knowledge about the practicals. When I spent here for 3 months, where I could able to learn practically. Even I will refer to my friends also. Even they can able to learn practically in sites also, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that's nice talking to you, Praveen. So it was a very great feedback from your side, and I heartily congratulate once again for getting a great opportunity. And I wish you very all the best for all your future endeavors.